Here we have dragon boat racing in Northwich. Radio Northwich is one of these boats apparently. Just lining them up for the start. Here we go. Got three boats. This one seems to be a bit behind. I don't know what's happened there. Oh, is boat 2 or boat 3 going to win? Looks like boat 2. Not quite sure if it is. Not sure which one's Radio Northwich. I used to be on there, on that station. Oh, here comes the safety boat coming along now in case anyone falls out. Yeah, boat 2 won that one. This is River Festival in Northwich. Nice canal boat across the way there, watching the antics that are going on. Mustang Dave. We'll catch you later in another video. Give us a like, give us a share.